In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your word count in Google Docs. This is an incredibly useful feature, especially for students working on essays or writers needing to meet specific word limits. Let's walk through the steps to access and utilize this handy tool effectively. To get started, once you have your document open, you'll want to direct your attention to the top of your screen where you'll see the menu bar. Click on Tools. That's your gateway to a variety of useful features in Google Docs. Once you click on it, you'll be greeted with a drop-down menu. Among the options, you'll easily spot Word Count. Selecting this will prompt a new window to appear, showing you your current word count, the number of pages in your document, as well as the total number of characters, both with and without spaces. Now, if you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts and want to speed things up, Google Docs has made this process even more efficient for you. You can simply press Ctrl, Shift, and C simultaneously on your keyboard. Doing this will instantly pop up the word count window, providing you with all the essential data you need. For instance, if we take a look at our document right now, you'll notice we have 3 pages comprising 1,184 words, and when we include spaces, the characters tally up to 5,921. Knowing these figures is particularly vital if you have word count requirements to satisfy, whether that's meeting a minimum or adhering to a maximum limit. But that's not all. Google Docs also gives you the option to keep track of your word count as you type. This is particularly useful if you are actively monitoring your progress. Here's how you can set this up. Once the word count window is open, there's an option that says Display Word Count while typing. Simply click this option and then hit OK. By doing so, you'll notice a running word count displayed at the bottom left corner of your screen. This dynamic feature updates in real time as you add or remove text, offering you constant visibility over your word count. This feature is especially beneficial for students working on length-sensitive assignments or for anyone who needs to remain within certain word boundaries. It saves you the hassle of repeatedly checking your word count, allowing you to stay focused and productive. And there you have it, an easy and efficient way to keep track of your word count in Google Docs. Whether you're writing essays, drafting reports, or crafting your next story, having instant access to your word count is invaluable for managing and meeting your writing goals. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!